Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Scentsy unboxing. I have the April scent crate to unbox for you. This is a monthly mystery box that one of my consultant friends does for her business. If you're not locked into any contracts, you just get a box full of Scentsy products. If you don't know what Scentsy is, I talk about it a little bit in my previous Scentsy unboxing. I don't want to go too much into it in this video, but basically it's just products for your home that smell nice. So what I will do is I'll leave the link in the description box where you can sign up. It's available Australia-wide. I don't think it's international at this point, but I could be wrong. I will double check. And this was unicorn themed, which you guys know I had to be all over that. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to open it up and I will do close-ups of everything as well and describe the scents. All pretty exciting. Okay, so to start with, I have a few extras on the top here. First thing is this pen. How cute is this? It's a pink pen. It's got like a fluffy pom-pom on the end. It's pink and white polka dots on the barrel. That's super adorable. You guys know I love me a cute pen. I have a couple of samples. I have Bubblegum Blast and Bora Bora Blossom, and this is in the shape of a unicorn, which is just adorable. No, hang on, I was wrong. It turns out this is a mixer sample in Tic Tac, which is a mix of Bora Bora Blossom and Just Breathe. How cute is that? Then I have a cute little unicorn charm, and I also have some journaling cards. They've been laminated in here. The unicorn and a field of forces. So let's get into the actual full-size products. There's 3 in this box, which is exciting. So we have a wax bar in Candy Crave, which I've never tried. I've never even heard of this one. So let's crack it open and have a sniff. Okay. So let's read the description. It says raspberry sorbet, cotton candy, and fluffy marshmallow. Okay, yeah. I'm definitely smelling like a cotton candy. It's like a really sweet smell. Marshmallow. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's interesting. Then we have a room spray, and I haven't actually ever tried a room spray, which is, I don't know how that's possible. This is in Sugar, which is one of my favorite scents. Sugar is a fruity blend of lemon drops and cotton candy. So yeah, I'd say it's just, hang on. It's definitely a cotton candy sort of scent. I don't know if it's, I wouldn't say I can't smell any lemon drops. I don't know how to describe this scent. It just smells beautiful. It's really sweet, lovely. Oh, it smells really good in the room spray. I'm really, really happy with that. I can't wait to use that. It smells so nice. The last full-size product. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I've actually wanted one of these for a while. It's a buddy clip, and it's Stella the Unicorn. So there she is. Isn't she adorable? How cute is she? So she's just a little like scented stuffed beanie animal on a clip, so you can hang her from anything really. I think it's meant to be for kids, but my kids ain't getting this one. Rockin' Ruby Raz is Stella's go-to scent. She also loves cupcakes, lollipops, and all things sweet. She's adorable. I love her so much. She's so cute. She smells so nice. I love her. I'm super happy with this. I love this box. It's just adorable. All the extras are super cute. I got a buddy clip I've wanted for a while. I got a room spray, my favorite scent, and I got a new wax bar to try. And I'm really liking these sort of mixer samples because I never mix my scents. I just sort of pop them in as they are. So I really like the idea of being able to test like a mixture that I wouldn't have thought of necessarily. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope this is helpful. I love doing these. I love getting the boxes when I can. This one was $40. I believe they range from $35 to $40 Australian. I'm pretty sure next month's is mermaid themed too, so if you're into that, definitely check it out. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.